Hi friends, welcome to the Tech Blog Live YouTube channel. In this video, we will look at the premium device, the Dell XPS 13 2-in-1. At Dell, they build a desirable ultra-portable laptop with a twist. The Dell XPS 13 2-in-1 can operate as both a laptop and a tablet. It's rigid, lightweight, and made with durable and attractive materials. The full aluminum case is topped with carbon fiber, and the screen is made with Corning Gorilla Glass. The diagonal LED touchscreen automatically rotates the displayed image to the desired orientation. The 2-in-1 gives you better graphics performance than the standard XPS for just a slightly higher price. It can tackle photo editing and streaming video with performance and without overheating. That makes the convertible version of the XPS 13 feel like a significant value in the 13-inch segment. It's still available at retailers but may be harder to find as Dell moves 2-in-1 functionality to its Inspira line of laptops. They're stylish, powerful laptops that consistently rate highly among professional reviewers. The keys are backlit, but many larger laptops have a better keyboard feel. The touchpad is much better and Dell's software recognizes when you palm the touchpad. One of the two USB-C ports, one of which runs at Thunderbolt 4 speed, and both of which can be used for charging. Battery life will vary depending on how you use the computer and whether you choose the HD or QHD Plus display. The speakers were generally clear and refined, but their sound varies depending on how you orient the laptop. Dell includes a fingerprint scanner and an infrared camera for facial recognition. Merging two devices into one usually brings compromise, however, and the XPS 13 2-in-1 is no exception. Dell soldered the memory modules and hard drive to the motherboard, so they can't be swapped out for an upgrade. We liked the 13.4-inch, thin bezel screen with a taller 16:10 aspect ratio. This format allows a bit more real estate on small screens without sacrificing portability. We appreciate the improved balance between speed and efficiency that Intel's Evo-certified CPUs deliver. The XPS 13 2-in-1 only makes sense when consistently used as a tablet, especially with a stylus and an illustration. Conclusion: it keeps the slim, sturdy, premium build quality that makes the XPS line the best of the best, while also delivering some of the best performance you can get from an ultra-portable laptop. It's a formidable competitor to Apple's MacBooks if you're looking for a touchscreen and a convertible form factor. Digital artists, travelers, and anyone who likes a laptop with extra features will like the XPS 13 2-in-1. It's not ideal to hold a 3-pound laptop like a tablet because the keyboard will always be exposed. Overall, the XPS 13 2-in-1 is an excellent Windows convertible. The Dell XPS 13 2-in-1's base price starts at $1,100, approximately 88,000 rupees. Thank you guys and see you in the next video.